What's up, outdoor adventurers? Have you ever found a piece of camping gear that made you think there's no way this should be this good for the price? Well, today I'm sharing 10 camping gadgets that'll blow your mind without breaking your bank account. From tents that set up in 60 seconds to solar chargers that'll keep you connected in the wilderness, these are the game changers every camper needs to know about. Let's dive in. Starting with number 1, the ever-advanced 6-person instant cabin tent. And this thing is about to change how you think about tent setup forever. 60-second magic. I'm not kidding, this tent sets up in 1 minute, and one person can do it alone. No more fighting with poles while your partner holds fabric in the wind. It's like camping wizardry in a bag. Blackout technology. The dark interior fabric blocks light and helps regulate temperature. Want to sleep in past sunrise? This tent has your back. Need privacy during the day? The blackout fabric provides that too. Smart design. 3 large zippered mesh windows plus an overhead net window create incredible airflow. The skylight gives you a view of the stars, but the Rainfly protects you when weather hits. Plus 9 by 9 feet with 73 inches of headroom for 6 people, internal storage pockets, and a woven belt for hanging lights or gear. Number 2 is where Japanese engineering meets campfire tradition, the Snow Peak Takibi fire and grill. Versatility king. This isn't just a fire pit or just a grill, it's both. The 5-piece set includes everything you need: grill net, grill bridge, fireplace, base plate, and carrying case. Quick setup means more time enjoying the fire. Quality that lasts, made from Japanese stainless steel using traditional manufacturing processes. Snow Peak has been perfecting outdoor gear for over 60 years, and this shows their expertise. Complete ecosystem. They've also got the titanium spork, hot lips mug, and cutting board set, all designed to work together. It's like getting a complete outdoor kitchen from a company that actually understands what campers need. Number 3 is the workhorse that'll never let you down, the Coleman Triton 2-burner stove. Pure power, 22,000 BTUs of cooking power across 2 independently controlled burners. That's restaurant-level heat in a portable package that fits 12-inch and 10-inch pans simultaneously. Wind? What wind? Those wind guards aren't just for show, they actually protect your flame from getting blown out. The improved knob rotation gives you precise temperature control, so you can go from rolling boil to gentle simmer instantly. Reliability factor. Heavy-duty latch keeps it closed during transport, chrome-plated grates are removable for easy cleaning, and it runs for an hour on high with just 1 propane cylinder. This is the stove that just works every single time. Number 4 is the cooler that makes every other cooler jealous, the YETI Roadie 32. Engineering excellence. Those never-flat wheels are made from single-piece construction and no flats, no punctures ever. The rolling is so smooth, one reviewer said it's like butter. The periscope handle retracts when you don't need it, but extends strong enough for heavy loads. Ice performance. Users report ice staying frozen for over 24 hours, and when it does melt, there's a drainage plug at the back. The internal basket keeps items above the ice line when needed. Value reality check. Yes, it's not cheap up front, but think about how many cheap coolers you'll buy over the years. This is a buy once, cry once situation. Plus, those envious looks at the 4th of July parade? Priceless. Number 5 solves one of camping's most awkward problems. Where do you change clothes and shower? Meet the Vidalito Privacy Tent. Instant privacy. This thing pops up to create your own private 55 by 55-inch courtyard anywhere in nature. Whether you need a change, shower, or just have a private moment, this tent has you covered literally. Clever design. It's got a mesh window for ventilation and visibility with a cover for privacy, a clip that holds up to 5 gallons of water for shower bags, and a zippered door for easy access. No bottom means easy drainage and setup. Compact power. Folds down to just 25 by 7 inches, but opens to over 7 feet tall. At 13 pounds, it's not the lightest, but the privacy and convenience are worth their weight in gold. Number 6 is the watch that never dies, literally. The Garmin Instinct 2 Solar. Unlimited power. With just 3 hours of sunlight per day, this watch has unlimited battery life in smartwatch mode. That's not a typo, unlimited. It's like having a tiny solar power plant on your wrist. Survival features. Built-in GPS, compass, barometric altimeter, Plus, it tracks multiple satellite systems including GPS, GLONASS, and Galileo. If you're lost, this thing will find you. Health Guardian, 24/7 heart rate monitoring, sleep tracking, pulse ox, and even respiration monitoring. It's like having a personal health coach that never needs charging. Tough as nails, water rated to 100 meters, thermal and shock resistant with Gorilla Glass. This watch is built to outlast your camping gear. Number 7 might seem like overkill for camping, but hear me out, the Celestron NexStar 8SE telescope. Mind-blowing tech. This isn't just any telescope, it's got a database of over 40,000 celestial objects, and it finds them automatically. You literally just tell it what you want to see, and it points itself there and tracks the object as it moves across the sky. Easy mode. The Skyline technology is genius. Just point it at any 3 bright objects, even if you don't know what they are, and it figures out exactly where you are and calibrates itself. No PhD in astronomy required. Value proposition. You're getting professional-grade optics with 8-inch aperture that'll show you Jupiter's cloud bands and distant galaxies. For the price of a decent camera lens, you're getting a window to the universe. Number 8 is for everyone who's tired of waiting forever for their morning coffee, the Jetboil Flash. Speed demon alert. This thing boils water in 100 seconds flat. That's faster than your microwave at home, people. The secret is their flux ring technology that maximizes surface area contact with the flame. Smart features. Check this out, the cup changes color when your water's ready thanks to the thermochromatic heat indicator. No more guessing games. Plus, at only 13.1 ounces, it's lighter than most water bottles. The bottom cup doubles as a measuring cup and a bowl. It's like they thought of everything. Bottom line, when you're hungry, cold, and tired, 100 seconds feels like a lifetime. This cuts that down to nothing. Number 9 will keep you connected even when you're completely off-grid, the Goal Zero Nomad 10 solar charger. Why, it's awesome. This little 10-watt powerhouse weighs just 1.2 pounds and folds up smaller than a magazine. But here's where it gets crazy. One user charged their completely dead power bank in 6.5 hours on a mostly cloudy day at high altitude. Imagine what it could do in perfect sunshine. Pro features, it's got a built-in USB port, a 180-degree adjustable kickstand, and you can literally clip it to your backpack while hiking. It's like having a portable power station that runs on pure sunlight. For the price, you're basically stealing this technology. And our number 10 finale, the Therm-a-Rest NeoAir XTherm, and guys, this thing is basically a warm hug from Mother Nature herself. The magic, this 3-inch thick pad weighs just 20 ounces but has a ridiculous 7.3 R value. What does that mean? You'll stay warm even when it's freezing outside. The secret sauce is their triangular core matrix construction and reflective thermocapture technology. It's like having a personal heater under you. Real talk. One reviewer said they stayed warmer in 30-degree weather than ever before. And here's the kicker, it packs down to the size of a water bottle. Sure, it's a bit crinkly when you move, but would you rather have a silent night or a comfortable, warm sleep? I know my choice. There you have it, 10 camping gadgets that punch way above their price point. From that 60-second tent setup to unlimited solar power on your wrist, these aren't just gear purchases, they're investments in better outdoor experiences. Which one surprised you the most? Let me know in the comments below, and if you've used any of these products, share your experience. Don't forget to like this video if it helped you plan your next camping adventure, and subscribe for more outdoor gear reviews that won't break the bank. Until next time, get out there and make some memories. See you on the trail.